Slide your cogwheel to a socket of your choice. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Diesel. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the... Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. Whoa! Tap on the stunt button to perform a trick. Impressive tricks will grant you a short speed boost. Winner! Spectacular jump. Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Toby. Ladies and gentlemen, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. Brilliant! Winner! A true champion! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine.